Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the Camper's knot tying kit. Let's tie a knot. The rope storage knot. Here I'm using string to demonstrate, but this knot is most effective for storing long lengths of rope. First, coil the rope clockwise to form a circular bundle, leaving sufficient length at the end to loop around the bundle 3 to 4 times. Then with the rope end, you want to secure the bundle at its bottom and the top, making sure you tuck in the end of the rope securely around the loops so they hold. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.